Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's update for two coins, which is going to be Solana and Shib. I've started doing this couple of coins as well so that I can actually cover a lot of details in one video as well. So yeah, let's get into it. And if you're new to the channel, join the Discord group in here. The signals are free for the month of December, so enjoy December. Now, yesterday, if you go to yesterday's video, I did talk about this particular, symmetrical triangle right there. And for this, for me, I don't see Solana going to the upside anymore anytime soon, because I told you, once be careful of the symmetrical triangle. They're meant to be 50-50. They're meant to go up or they're meant to go down. Understand that? So in here, if you go to yesterday's video, it was very clearly explained. If you fall out of it, backtest and fail the retest, you're gonna go even way more down. And that it is what it is. It is what it is. And I'm gonna give you that technical target where we could even potentially be heading to. Okay, from this symmetrical triangle, we could even be heading all the way down to the $158 region. Of course, and you can already see there's one level of this support that I've drawn even back previously. It has already been broken, back testing it, and now it's looking to even go more down. Okay, it is looking to go more down. It is what it is. And at the moment, I'm going to suggest you guys to stay on the sidelines and be careful with Solana at the moment. And the long-term targets are still there. I'm not saying that long-term targets, these are meant to be long-term. Do you understand that? Not a short-term. So I'm just going to take the fibs as well in here, and I'm going to draw the fibs from here to here. Now, maybe do envision, and look guys, look the 0.5. I just told you. You see how the charts are coinciding with one another. I just draw this from here to here, and I told you this is where you broke out, this is where you're gonna go, and look, that's where the 0.5 is as well. And you are still above the 0.618, so the upper targets are still there. So what you can see is this one does come down here, maybe make that low and then make its move towards the upside. That's all that I can say about about Solana right now. Okay, so be careful guys. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines instead of trading Solana. Now let's dive into the Shib update right there, and let's talk about Shib as well. So yeah, so for the Shib guys, the inverse head and shoulder had a squeeze that I asked yesterday, is a pump coming or not? The pump didn't come, and you can see that this right shoulder here, it was getting squeezed and squeezed and squeezed and squeezed, and then the pop didn't go to the upside, but the pop happened to the downside. Do you see that? Very pretty simple. But we're not out of the woods. I'm not saying we are all bearish at the moment. So this inverse head and shoulder, I'm just gonna remove it, and let's see what is going on right now. Are we even making a bear pennant? Are we making a bear pennant? That's the question. That's the question, guys. And yeah, there's something that we have to look. But for me, I don't think we're gonna go more down. Maybe we could be coming down to the accumulation phase right now. Try to move sideways and then continue to the upside, because this is a big level of support right there. You have one touch here, this is another touch right there. So let's say you do even break downwards, which I'm going to be updating soon. You lose the 3200, you go down, lose this one. This is going to be your next level of support. So let's dive into the weekly, and let's see if there's any weekly support as well. So we have to keep in mind everything. Now my own buying was at 3500. I'm not in a loss. I've been telling you for a long time, 3500 is the place that I'm going to be entering, and I believe that that's the bottom. I do believe this is the bottom. It's been like 8 weeks of red candles. I am expecting the next coming weeks to go towards the upside. I don't think it's gonna go any more down, right? No financial advices though. This is asking for a reaction, and if you actually look at it this way, it's like we're making a bullish pennant, a bull flag in here. Look at that. That's like almost a bull flag from a distance, from a bird's view. It looks like a bull flag, and if you break out of this bull flag from wherever you're gonna go, it's gonna take you to nearly 10,000. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see at the moment. It's gonna turn on the EMAs as well to see if we have any clues right there. Okay. Yep. let's dive into the daily here for the Gaussian channel. I'm just gonna turn on the Gaussian channel and look. It's finding support at the nearly lower band of the Gaussian channel, so I wouldn't be surprised if it actually spends a little bit of time here until it doesn't finally break towards the upside. And one more thing, I'm just gonna hide all of these things in here, and there's a squeeze happening, and this decision is coming until 20 of December, guys. 20 of December, and this is going to be a squeeze that I believe will pop towards the upside. Okay, now what we don't want to see is a squeeze that is going to push this price to go to the downside just like this, and that is going to be very, very negative. Okay, and this squeeze is because of course that swing high right there. Do you see that? You already have that line that is taking you all the way to this line right there, intersecting with one another, and this is where you're gonna have that decision. Can it go down? It could go down, but personally I think it has gone down enough for it to start, you know, popping to the upside. We could have 2-3 weeks of greenery. Okay, it's been a long time. People have been exhausted by this downtrend. I don't think we're going to keep moving down unless you don't have a reaction to the upside, and then maybe go down, who knows. But for me, my take personally, personal opinion here, it's gonna move to the upside, and time will tell. Till then, thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.